The RF remote control page turner is a convenient accessory designed for Kindle Paperwhite, Oasis, Scribe, Kobo, and various tablets including iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Perfect for hands-free reading, it allows you to easily turn pages while reading novels or ebooks. This multifunctional clicker also doubles as a remote for taking selfies, recording videos, and controlling your device's camera shutter. Compact and user-friendly, it's an ideal accessory for avid readers and content creators.
The MoKo Security Hand Strap is designed for 6 to 8 Kindle e-readers and tablets, including Kindle, Kobo, Voyager, Lenovo, and Sony models. This high-elasticity, lightweight finger grip holder offers a secure and comfortable grip, allowing you to hold your device with ease during reading or browsing. Its versatile and adjustable design ensures a snug fit on various e-readers and tablets, providing extra security and reducing hand fatigue. Perfect for on-the-go use, this black hand strap enhances calm. ZEISS Pre-Moistened wipes are specially designed for safely cleaning screens and lenses. This pack includes 120 individually wrapped wipes that are ideal for cleaning smartphones, tablets, laptops, glasses, and camera lenses. These wipes remove smudges, fingerprints, and dirt without leaving streaks or residue, ensuring a crystal clear surface. Convenient and portable, they're perfect for keeping
The LISEN tablet stand is a foldable and portable stand designed for devices ranging from 4 to 15.9 inches, including iPads, iPhones, Kindles, and more. It provides adjustable angles for comfortable viewing, making it ideal for working, video calls, or entertainment. Its sturdy and durable design ensures stability, while its compact foldable structure makes it easy to carry. Perfect for both home and office use, this stand enhances productivity and offers a convenient hands-free experience for V.
The LISEN tablet stand is a foldable and portable holder designed for a wide range of devices, from 4 to 15.9 inches, including iPads, iPhones, Kindles, and more. Perfect for desk use, it provides adjustable angles for optimal viewing, making it ideal for working, reading, video calls, or streaming. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and stability, while its compact, foldable design allows for easy portability. This stand is an excellent accessory for enhancing productivity and comfort.